Noise-induced hearing loss is a serious problem that sneaks up on you when you're not even paying attention, so you gotta protect your ears every chance you get. Alright, listen. If you're gonna keep your hearing sharp, first thing is to wear earplugs or earmuffs when you're around loud stuff like concerts, power tools, or even your neighbor's crazy lawnmower. Don't just pop in any earplug. Get ones made for noise reduction so they actually block the harmful sounds. When you're at work or doing home projects, keep the volume on your headphones low enough that you can still hear someone talking next to you. Take breaks from loud environments to give your ears a rest because constant noise without a break wears down your hearing over time. Try to recognize the warning signs like ringing in your ears or muffled sounds. That's your body telling you to chill with the noise. If you're unsure about how loud something really is, there are phone apps that can measure decibels. Use those to figure out if you need protection. Keep your hearing checkups on schedule so any problems get caught early before things get worse. And finally, teach your family and friends about protecting their ears too, because noise-induced hearing loss doesn't discriminate. One of the biggest mistakes people make with protecting their hearing is not using the right kind of hearing protection, like using cheap foam earplugs that don't fit well, or just ignoring loud noises altogether. The fix? Invest in quality earplugs or earmuffs designed for noise reduction, and make wearing them a habit. Another common problem is keeping headphones way too loud for too long. This can cause permanent damage even if it doesn't hurt right away. So, keep the volume at a safe level and take listening breaks every hour. Lastly, people often forget that noise-induced hearing loss is cumulative, meaning every bit of loud noise adds up over time. You can't just make up for it later. The best solution is to consistently protect your ears daily, especially if you're regularly exposed to loud environments. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle of endless searching and guessing. Plus, it hooks up contractors with real projects so they can get work and build their reputation in the community.